So another day, another video, another thing needed some attention. So we are going to change this today. That's the engine mount. So very first thing is removal of the engine shield from the bottom, and after that I'll show you the process. So very first thing is coolant bottle. Okay, I know my coupler is broken. Unable to get one right now. So second thing is this clip. Pull it out and up. Yes, now what you have to do is you can see the locks. You have to press it inwards so that you can lock it out of the body and pull the bottle up. I need both my hands. So coolant bottle out of the way. 16s, 1 2 18s, and most probably this one is a 14. But before that you have to support the engine from the bottom. Let me show you where the exact place is to support, because this thing has a plastic oil pan, so you cannot support it from the oil pan or else you'll break it. So my mistake, it's not 14, it's 13. So the exact place where you have to jack the vehicle is, as you can see, the oil pan is plastic, so we cannot support here. So we have to support at the gearbox, the transmission, and this is the exact place where you have to support, this round place. Don't support at the flat surface, no. If you look at your jack, it has an indentation which can support at that round place, so it will be more than sufficient to support your engine. And anyways, a cylindrical or a round shape has more strength than a flat surface. And the engine is supported. Now the only thing left is to unbolt the bolts from the engine mount and replace the bolt. All of the bolts are removed except from one. So before removing everything else, just make sure your car is leveled and the engine is well supported. The only thing left is to remove the bolt and replace the engine mount now. As we can see, the new mount is in location, tied up, and the only thing is to place the coolant reservoir back. So means 2 bolts is a little stressful because engine shifts a little, so you have to take that into your consideration. If possible, have someone by your side to hold the engine, like if you want to move it. Like coolant reservoir back on spot, the only thing left is the engine shield now. Mount replaced, and this is the condition of the whole mount. Broken apart. You can see it has separated from here, and the oil also, it's a hydraulic jack which is filled with oil. So oil is supposed to be in this chamber. Now it has leaked inside and came down here. Squishiness tells me that this thing is filled with oil. So this is the amount of gap in between the engine mount. As you can see right here, there's a decent amount of gap. Let me show you a little bit close as well. Yeah, this is the gap. As soon as your mount will start to degrade, this gap will start to close. So that's how you know your mount is gone. And one more telltale sign that your mount is gone is, as you can see, there is a rubber buffer on the top of coolant hose. If you look carefully enough, it rests on the engine bolt. Why? Because the manufacturer designed it this way. If this thing is not resting on your engine bolt, that means your engine mount has gone quite a lot down. You need to change it.